and welcome back to week 7 of Bake at Work. Tonight we're going to make quick and easy, no yeast pizzas. So for the ingredients, it's 350 grams of flour, 190 grams of water, 15 grams of baking powder, 5 grams of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. So first we add all the dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder, salt. Mix it all around. 5 or 10 seconds. And it's evenly dispersed. Then we're just going to add the water and the olive oil. So with your hand, just mix it. All the ingredients just together. Then you just got to mix it on the table, on the bench. So it should be firm dough, not too sticky. It shouldn't stick to the bench. You just got to push it and pull it. So after 4 or 5 minutes, I've just divided the dough into 2 pieces. So you just make the dough kind of flat, and just pin it out. As I say, you shouldn't need any flour on the bench. So, just going to put it into a frying pan. I'm just going to make some simple pizzas tonight, but you could use any toppings that you wish. Just going to use a passata sauce, just out of the jar. You could use one that has a chili in it or whatever, but we're just going to stick to the plain one. And just pour a bit on. Just with the back of a spoon, you can just and then some cheese. So it's just got red cheddar and some mozzarella. And just some tomatoes. Yep, so when you get the toppings on, you can bring it to the top of the stove. So a fairly hot ring. So what you want to do is cook it till it's nice and brown on the bottom. So 4 or 5 minutes, but just keep an eye on it, till it goes golden brown. Okay, after 5 or 6 minutes you can see it's nice and golden brown. So we're going to transfer it onto a baking tray. Put it in the oven, about 200, 210, approximately 10 minutes. You can turn it around halfway through the bake, but you'll know it's baked when you see the cheese and stuff melted on top. So there you go folks, quick and easy, no yeast pizza. So enjoy your baking and keep uploading the photos.